Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the GPS and cable. Plug the cable into the GPS, then into the computer. If prompted by the OS, install the device driver. Once done, open Device Manager, Windows, or System Information, Mac, to confirm the port appears. This explains why drivers matter. The computer needs to recognize the GPS as COM or USB device. Make sure to enable any GPS power switch and keep the device awake as you proceed to the next step. You now configure the application to communicate with the GPS. Launch your chosen GPS utility and select the detected COM or USB port. Set the baud rate to the recommended speed, commonly 4,800 or 9,600, to match the device. Once connected, choose the action: download tracks, upload waypoints, or stream live position. Make sure to use GPX format for broad compatibility, and verify destination folders. If you need conversion, use GPS Babel. You finish by transferring and verifying data. Start the export or sync, watch progress, and then open the saved GPX to confirm waypoints and tracks appear correctly. Once transfer completes, safely eject or stop the device in the OS before disconnecting to prevent corruption. If something goes wrong, try a different USB port or cable, restart the computer, and reinstall the driver. This troubleshooting tip fixes most detection issues because faulty cables or driver problems are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.